Something for now and something for later. This idea combines henna and face paint. The henna becomes the outline and the face paint is the colors, kinda like an adult coloring book for henna artists. The paint, something for now. The henna, something for later. And of course, glitter, for always. And don't worry, the face paint will not affect the stain. Check it out and see what I've come up with. I hope this inspires other artists to be creative and create new forms of mixed media. Don't forget to share your creativity using the hashtag #MixedDoodles. Thank you for watching!